Welcome friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to develop native splash screen for iOS as well as Android with correct way. First of all, you need to import Flutter native display dependency in your pubspec.yaml file. After this, you need to set up two more things like color and image. This is the URL of my image and this is the image which I copied inside logo folder. After this setup, you need to run this command. This command will generate your splash screen for iOS as well as Android. So our setup is complete. Now let's try to run our app. Here you can see splash screen is coming and this is home page. If your splash screen is not showing, then try to run flutter clean and then flutter pub get. If you want to know more about this dependency, then go to pub.dev and then find flutter native splash, and you can see here more of settings. Thank you.